This is sponsored by our mom. Alright, YouTube, let's get into the unboxing. But before we do that, my name is Martinez. My name is Josiah.
My name's Samaya, the little sister.
And we are part of the Famous Family! Alright, YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification! Alright, YouTube, let's get the unboxing started.
Let's open this baby. Yeah.
What's in it? It's in boxes.
Let's rip it together and find out what it changed. Yeah, come on.
Hold on, wait, let me.
Come on, rip open.
Wait this time.
Show yourself.
Here.
Show yourself.
Alright, hold on.
Place it, baby.
Thanks for telling me that. Because she's my big sister. She's my big sister.
Oh, that's why.
Wait. We'll bring out the boxes with no. Oh, okay. You can't bring out this one. So, here's, go get me my.
Yeah. Ooh. Please be a toy. 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 This is a girl's toy this time.
You better see.
What is it? Look at his face. Sit down so they can see you.
That's supposed to be
Sit
pretty
down, Daddy.
funny.
Come on, Pen. Show
Look
me.
at his face. What is it?
Yeah, we got 20 of them on it.
We can make mini cakes with that.
We can.
Maybe put 2 pieces of chicken
Did
at
you
a time.
see his face? It's okay, man. Look, I don't know what your sister has in mind for the pans. You making look all the ain't them the same pans that the Chinese spot uses?
Oh yeah, we can just use those as many cases.
When we're making our chicken, we can set our chicken in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like little eat.
Yeah, they can be set up nice and neat.
That's like, come on, let's keep going. Careful with that knife.
Excuse you.
I see faces near a knife. I'm gonna need y'all to sit down in your chairs. There's a knife out and safety first. Let's go. On the
Alright,
booty.
what you thinking, Sue? We started from Paris this time. Which one? Just tell me which one.
Tell me this one. It's hard, bro.
Because parents don't see it.
Come on. Which one
Come
do you
on,
think
pick
is
one,
it?
man.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Samaya, which one would you like to open? This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
What is that big doobie?
Bowls. Yes. Bowls and tops.
Can I take the plastic off? I want to see if they're really bowls.
Yeah.
Can I pick something else?
Oh, yes, you go on next. Which one you want?
Okay, lift this thing up.
Apple. Just see.
And I will be picking the fish.
Okay. Which one?
I'm gonna pick the other fish.
No!
What?
Hush, sit down.
Look at this big doobie that I have. And it's pretty weightish.
Let me see.
Who takes a wrap around?
Didn't I just tell you no?
Oh.
That's okay.
Yes.
What is it? Oh, it's really plain.
What do you think, Mom?
Ooh, all right.
Yeah, bowls and tops.
Okay, the balls and the lids.
Alright, so since Josiah is doing the big reveal, Harris, I want you to unbox this. Hold up, back up, sit down. Unbox it. Sit down.
put that back, Mom.
Those are.
Whoa, this is how
That's how it's supposed to look. Mama, put that back, please.
Oh, bowling
Right.
tops.
Now you sit
Ma'am, put it on top. Pull that.
careful with that knife sauce of purpose.
Yes. I put it towards me. All right. So James,
Yes.
don't pull it out the package. Let YouTube see the big reveal.
Oh, is this mine?
It said houses.
Wait, so I can put these things?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My mom pulled it out. YouTube wants to see like what's taking so
Yo,
long.
mommy.
Show YouTube.
Cutie patootie.
Now YouTube, I'm pretty sure you know with all the TikToks that you have seen and all that is a self-cooking pot. So you don't gotta put it on the stove, not on the hot plate, not in the oven. You just turn the bone on. And you charge it up.
Oh yeah, this is a portable one.
Yeah.
And here's a plug.
There goes the plug-in piece, Mom.
Uh-oh.
That is clean.
That is so cute.
That's self-cooking, technically hot pot.
Oh, we could cook
Okay.
tea with that.
Yeah,
I
we
see
can cook
what,
tea.
what weight is it. It's
Very
the perfect
A
weight for me.
multifunctional electric
And
ranch.
I can cook noodles in that.
Yeah.
By
You can make
yourself.
macaroni and cheese in that.
You can make whatever you want in that if you wash it. Be
All right,
responsible.
Yosai, you ready? You ready? You ready?
Yep.
Alright.
And then
Come
we're
show
going
YouTube. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
This is why she bought all those cooking pans and bowls and stuff. She bought
Show YouTube.
let me see what this is.
Ooh,
Ooh, looks like it's a grill.
A portable grill.
Ooh, a portable grill.
Mm-hmm.
You add coals to it and everything?
Yep. And a little cage area
That's what's up.
right here.
And they
You
say
got
you
silver.
can do fruits, vegetables, meats,
Yeah.
seafood.
Fruits.
Yeah.
And you can
You know,
fold
yeah.
it up, take it with you.
Oh, I like that. A portable barbecue grill. All right, Timo, get into it. Tap in now.
All right, YouTube. We'll see you later. If you want to see our next mystery unboxing, then you better like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification.
Now.
And then we'll see you later.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you next time.
Let me say something real quick. I didn't mean to interrupt y'all exit. But young brother, young man,
Yes.
young Muslim man,
Yes.
that's you. I'm gonna need you to stop this whole gangster pointing. You know what I'm saying? You are not Thuggish Rugged Bone out in the streets. Okay?
Yes.
I mean, you ain't never been to Compton. You ain't going to Compton. You know what I'm saying? You from the streets of El Paso, Texas. You know what I'm saying? Orlando, Florida. You feel me? And you ain't even from the mean streets of Orlando, Florida. You from
It's not my
the
fault.
bird, Waterford Lakes. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You from the mean suburban streets of Waterford Lakes, bro.
23rd.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna need you to stop this whole gangster appeal thing you got going on. I know it looks cool and I know it looks fun, but that's not your life. You understand?
Yes, we got from him.
You got it from who?
Him.
But you
Big
little
Brother
don't do
Jay.
that. But you little don't do
Big
that.
Brother
Don't worry.
Jay.
But nobody sees me do that.
Big brother
Nobody
Jay.
sees you but Josiah.
Big brother
Yeah, and
Jay.
ain't that suspicious?
No, that's not suspicious. Because that's exactly what a little brother is supposed to do. Mimic his big brother. His big brother is the one who is showing them how to get it done. So that means, big brother, you need to reevaluate some things and be, number one, be aware of what you're teaching your younger siblings. And number two, again, you're not from the mean streets of, you know what I'm saying, of nothing on nothing on nothing. Suddenly see more. You feel me? This ain't Little Shop of Horror right here. You feel me? So please, we ain't from Skid Row. Down on Skid Row.
I see you want to
age.
plug it up.
I'm telling my
It's
age.
behind here.
You know what I'm saying? Mama and daddies out there in the YouTube world, comment down below if y'all remember Little Shop of Horror. Yes, I remember that movie. I showed y'all that movie, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
I
so.
seen it once
with
time.
Tui. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, come on. Bye, YouTube. I'm sorry I interrupted their exit, but you know what I'm saying? I had to comment on that because,
Okay. All right. Bye, YouTube.
yeah, go.
Bye,
All right. That part.
Bye. Bye.
That
Bye.
part.